Hello and welcome to another vlog. So today we have some very interesting ideas for what we're going to do, and I think we've just pretty much got to get on with it. Matt and Will have just rang me to say that they are down my lane, so let's go for it now. So just met up with Will and Matt, and we're now looking for the postcode to Ikea, and they're both on their phones.
Go ahead and pick up a lot of cash. Go ahead and pick up a lot of cash. You dance down.
There could be a shiny tree. What are you on about, Jack?
Jack, I'm sorry to tell you, but slap doesn't go on the outside trees. You idiot! You idiot!
No, but it could if you like chopped it. If you chopped a tree.
Well,
and
I doubt in a tree in the middle of nowhere had been chopped. Just one.
Non-car guys say, "Is that a money back?"
No, it was me who said "mosh back."
Is that a car from 2000?
No, because that would be 00.
No, not always.
It'd be
50, that's it, 50.
50.
Oh shit, yeah. From...
What, Matt?
Matt, do a funny majestic
it.
thing.
Do a funny.
I think it knows worse for cheese.
Right, we just got to the Ikea retail park now. It's actually called the Ikea retail park, and we're going to go for a Nandos quickly, which is like, we can't take the camera in because obviously it'll just be super awkward. Like, it took us about 5 minutes to actually look for parking right now, and you can see Goober 1 and 2.
No, but Blue Pete was BBC that have brakes. Dumbass. BBC was...
To make the ping settle out again, I have to do...
Freestyle with Splath, you go!
Drop an F6.
I'm not a rapper.
Haha. No, that's loud.
Thanks, Jack. Yeah, you think you're some waste man? No, Jack, your pet's at home. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly explain what happened. So we had Nandos, which was obviously a amazing success because who doesn't love Nandos? Right, so we had Nandos, obviously, because we've not eaten today, But we went into Ikea and we realised this is not where we need to be right now. Everything was just so big, like innuendos below please. I'm just going to score at my windscreen.
I love when you're filming and you do like screens or something like that and it like flashes. I don't know why. I think it looks really cool.
You like that?
I like it.
Yeah, so anyway, I squirted Will's car, look, you see it. So now, and we also went to Decathlon to see if we could see any basketball things, which made us want to play basketball. So we're now heading back to mine, and we're going to get the basketball, get changed, except, well, I'm not really going to get changed because Matt's like, I don't know what he's wearing. He's wearing the, damn Daniel, back at it again with the white Vans. Yeah. So that's what we're about to do, and we'll take the camera with us.
I want on a shirt.
I go on.
Right, basically what we're doing is we've come to this basketball place where we normally go and it's absolutely rammed. So we're going to another one. See you there. Alright, thanks for watching. Sorry it's been a bit short and like not very interesting, but it's sort of been a really cold day and all the basketball courts are shut or really busy, so we've had to come here and it's pretty crap, so there's nothing else for us to do. We're all on low battery, so it's going to go home.
No.